Hi everyone, this is Shaun from the Customer Success team here at MyWorks, and today we're looking at some of the MyWorks Sync features you can make use of if you have a Shopify Plus plan. Specifically mapping Shopify companies or locations to QuickBooks customers, controlling how MyWorks syncs new company records to QuickBooks, and support for custom mapping that PO number field that is in Shopify orders if you use Shopify Plus. So if we start with that PO number field, let's hop into an example order here. That's what that system field would look like if you were using Shopify Plus. And if you wanted this order number to flow to QuickBooks with the order when it syncs, we can map that for you. That's inside the MyWorks app. Under Map and Custom Fields. And here you see we'd be able to select that PO number field, and we could have it flow into QuickBooks as either customer memo, extra line description, or private note. We have it going in as extra line because our order number is already custom memo. We would save that mapping, and then once that's done, once those orders start syncing, they would include that PO number field. Another cool thing to keep in mind is if you're creating an order here in Shopify, you'll see over here at the bottom, it gives you the option to check payment due later. And if we set these terms here inside the Shopify order, so long as the term is already set up inside of QuickBooks, both the term as well as the due date would flow with that order to the invoice in QuickBooks. So on the QuickBooks side, to show you where those terms are, I'm already inside of it, but let's go back to the beginning. Go to this little settings cog top right, all lists, and then terms. So if I'm offering Net30, I would just make sure Net30 is set up in here, although there are some already set up in here by default, and it is the most common ones. Moving on, for our Shopify Plus stores that are making use of companies in Shopify, you can also determine how MyWorks finds a matching company or syncs new company records to QuickBooks. So that's back over here in our MyWorks app, over in settings and under mapping over here. And you'll see the setting here is called display name format for new customers. And two of the options you have here are either to sync using the Shopify Plus company name or the location name for the company. So we have it set to company name right now, but this setting over here controls, how we determine matches in QuickBooks customers, but also how we would sync new customer records. So if we have it set to company name, for example, any new customers or any new orders for these customers would sync in a customer using this company name. If we had chosen location name, it would obviously just follow these location names as we have them set here. A third thing you optionally could do if you wanted to is to hop on over here into our map tab and map your companies. You'll see it breaks it out on a per location basis. So if I wanted to, I could map my Shopify companies or locations directly to QuickBooks customers. If I wanted to, I could hide locations and just map companies to companies. MyWorks Sync support for Shopify Plus B2B companies is available on all MyWorks Sync SOAR plans, and to map custom fields like we did with that PO number in the Shopify order is available on our Grow plan or higher. Thanks for checking out our video. If you'd like to learn more about how MyWorks can help automate your accounting, feel free to get in touch with our demo team. Link for that is in the description. Thanks.